really looking for something, a place that I could build my career and help build myself. My name is Zeb Leonard. I'm a lab technician in the quality control department. And I saw EGGER as a startup company being a great place to come and really advance myself and advance my career. And I felt that I could really thrive here in this environment at EGGER. But my coworkers and management really made sure and took pride in training me the right way and making sure I felt comfortable doing all the different tests and the CNC and everything before I really got going on my own. I really like the family environment here at EGGER. It feels like you can go talk to anybody about anything. I think they value a quality of life here. You don't mind coming to work every day when you're at EGGER. We're all friends here, we get along. It's just like hanging out with friends when you come here and getting your work done, and you get paid for it, paid well, by the way. So.